What's poppin'? Your girl is back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a try-on haul, but we're going to be doing it a little different today. I'm going to be sitting here showing you all the items and then still showing you a little try-on here on the side. And these are all black. This is a black-owned brand. So let's get into these pieces, and this is actually the first piece, just a little top or whatever, cute little top. I actually have this top in 3 colors, so I have it here in this gray. We got it here in like a salmonish, pinkish, oranges, whatever color you want to, a coral. So yeah, this is like my favorite part of the top, just the back. And then we also have it in a green. And then we have this cropped top that you just tie here in the front. That's a cute little flower floral print. And now we also have some 2 pieces. Well, I have two pieces. So it is this little bandeau bralette top here with the shorts. I have this in white and green. Then I also have it in this color here. And now we have some dresses. I did already wear 2 of these dresses over the weekend. I'll post the pictures over here as I show them to you now. So this one here, you got a little, but basically it is a long dress with the slits, super long, cute little design here at the top. Yes, you can dress this up, dress it down, whatever you need to do. And then another dress that it is super cute, and I wore it over the weekend, is this black, ignore that, but this little design is super cute, and then it is long. I love that. Anybody knows me know I love me a good long dress, long skirt. Yeah, so that dress also got it in this wine maroon color, whatever you want to call it. And then we also got it in blue. Yep, that's it. And then last but not least, we have this little white dress. It's a cute little like this, and then it has a little cutout in the rest of the dress. This is super cute still. Debating on how I want to wear this or style this dress, But yes, that is all the items I have. I will have all the details down below. I'll try to tag it here as well. This is a up and coming brand. Feel free to shop with her. It has some nice items. I'm not sure if this is all the items or if there is more items. But I will put all that information down below so you can just go and check it out. And thank you for watching this video.